The Jordan 1 Mocha releases on October 31st, Halloween. Retail is $170 on the men's pairs and $130 on the grade school pairs. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to cop the Jordan 1 Mocha. I'm looking to give away some pairs of Mocha 1s when they do officially release. I want to give away 2 pairs to you guys. So make sure you guys go back and watch my do not sell video of the Mocha 1s. And make sure you hit that thumbs up on that video, leave a comment, check out that video, and you can enter. If that video does get 1,000 likes, I'm going to give away some Mocha 1s. Also, make sure you guys stay tuned for the watch before you buy Mocha 1 video, which I'll be dropping probably tomorrow. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. If you guys get that video a bunch of likes as well, I'm going to trying to give away 2 pairs of Mocha 1s when they do officially release. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. So let's talk about how to cop the Mocha Jordan 1. They will be widely available. I want to start off with that. However, they will not be that easy to cop. The hype for this sneaker is through the roof. Everybody is going to want this sneaker, and everybody wants multiple pairs. This is going to be a tough cop for most people. A lot of people will take a lot of W's, but a lot of people will still take L's on this Jordan 1. Let's start off with the Nike Sneakers app. On Nike Sneakers, they'll be releasing at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. They're already loaded up on the Nike Sneakers app, and it is a regular Leo drop. So basically what that means is you go on at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you have roughly 2 minutes to enter in as many accounts as possible, and hope that you wind up taking a W. So they are up on the Sneakers app already. Here they are. Make sure you guys hit notify me right there. And good luck on the Sneakers app. I do recommend, one quick tip, is checking out the stories. I've been doing it. It's been pretty successful. So check out the stories. You know, go through them. And it might help you out. It won't hurt to look at the stories. It does show activity at the end of the day on the Sneakers app. These will be on the Sneakers app 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The grade school pairs will be down, so just scroll down a little bit when you see the men's pair. Scroll down on that same page, you'll see the grade school pairs. They will sell out extremely fast on the Sneakers app. They will be gone very, very quick. Be on the Sneakers app at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Before we talk more about how to cop the Jordan 1 Mochas, I need to tell you guys that this video is sponsored by Champions Kicks. Champions Kicks sent over this pair of Flint 13s in great worn condition for one crazy steal. And Champions Kicks restocks steals and deals all of the time. Make sure you guys check the link down below in the description. They're having a restock this Saturday. They'll be restocking Travis Scott Air Force 1s for $300. Jordan 1 Royal Toes for $180. And these are all dead stock shoes. Guys, they have a bunch of steals, a bunch of deals. Make sure you guys check them out. The link is down below in the description. Thank you, Champions Kicks, for sponsoring today's video and sending over a clean, worn pair of Flint 13s. These are crazy. Check out Champions Kicks. I got them from Champions Kicks. They restock all of the time. Great, great service. Make sure you guys check them out. Now, the Mocha 1s will also be releasing, of course, at the Foot sites, Foot Locker, Foot Action, Champs, East Bay, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and they will fly off the Foot sites as well. They'll also be available at Kicks USA, Hibbett Sports, everywhere, guys. Every major retailer will have the Mocha 1s. If they carry Jordans, odds are they're going to have the Mocha 1s. These will be widely available. However, stock is going to seem very limited because demand is so high. Trust me, guys, this sneaker is very, very hyped. Tons of demand. It looks so similar to the Travis. You guys know the color blocking. Very similar to the Black Toe Jordan 1s, just with brown instead of red. Guys, I'm telling you, these are gonna fly. It's a good quality sneaker. Make sure you guys at least put in the footwork to cop. So they'll be dropping on the Foot sites. They'll also be dropping on finishline.com, hibbitsports.com, jimmyjazz.com, a bunch of retailers. Make sure you guys check out solinks.com. They'll have all the raffle links and all the links that you need to secure the Mocha 1s. I do want to state this, and this is very important. Listen to me. Do not give up on this release trying for retail until the sneakers are completely sold out on every website. Sometimes that can take 2-3 hours. Sit there, try. On foot sites in particular, I've copped an hour and a half after the release. It's happened to me before on Jordan 1s. Guys, do not give up. Sit there, put in the work. I know it's not the greatest, sitting there. I know it gets boring. Put on some music, bro. Put some music on. Chill. At the end of the day, you're really just sitting there. You're not doing much. You're chilling. Maybe laying in bed. Maybe you're out and about. You could do it on your phone. Make sure you put in the footwork, guys. At least give it a shot. Right? You can't take a W if you don't even give it a chance. Do not rush over to StockX or GOAT and go pay resale immediately. If you're looking to pay resale, I'm going to tell you right now, wait until people get their pairs online from online orders. I'm telling you, guys, wait for them to come in. They will drop in price. They'll still be roughly around $300, but they're not going to be $4 like they are right now. They'll be around $3. So make sure that you guys put in the footwork. A lot of pairs, but it will not be an easy cop. But stock is pretty high. I'm going to tell you guys right now, stock is pretty high on this shoe, but the demand is even higher. It will be on the apps as well, Foot Locker, Foot Action Champs apps, and Finish Line. Can't forget Finish Line, so make sure that you guys check out the apps. Hibbett Sports app. There's a bunch of apps out there. Make sure you guys set up for as many raffles as possible, because this will not be an easy sneaker to cop for most. These will fly. These will resell. It's a clean colorway. It's definitely a must cop for a lot of people. If you're trying on Foot Locker, Foot Action Champs, any of the Foot Site apps, make sure that you put in as many stores, all 3 stores. Put in for the point system. Use all the points you possibly can. Get as many pairs as you can, guys. Don't forget grade school pairs. Grade school is going to fly even probably faster than men's pairs, guys. I'm telling you, this is a sneaker that you are not going to want to sleep on. You need to put in the footwork for this sneaker. So you have all the Foot Site apps, Foot Locker, Foot Action Champs. Make sure you guys also sign up for Finish Line. Finish Line is going to be doing their raffle. You'll know a few days before the release if you wind up winning or not. Make sure you guys, once again, go for grade school, go for men's. If you're a reseller, obviously you want as many pairs as possible. If you're looking just to make a little bit of money on the shoe, go for as many pairs, man. It won't hurt to get this shoe and even hold on to it. If you can hold on to it, hold on to it. If not, get that quick flip. It's a really good shoe. For $170, if you live in a state where there's tax, you're paying roughly $180, maybe $185, and you'll be looking at a roughly around $100, or maybe a little more, $100 profit on this sneaker. It's a very clean Jordan 1. You really can't go wrong with the color blocking. Hype is there. So let's take a look at the quality. Here's the toe box, and you can see the leathers. Very soft. Pushes down very, very nicely, guys. A lot of people are going to want this sneaker. It's wearable. It's clean. It's simple at the end of the day. And it's very similar to the Travis Scotts. So make sure you guys go out there and pick up the Mocha Jordan 1. Leave a comment down below in the comments. Let me know if you guys are going to try to pick up the Mocha 1s. Let me know what you guys think about them. Are they a cop? Are they a drop? Are you going to hold on to them if you do pick up pairs? Or are you just going to quick flip them? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. If you're actually going to wear them, like I'm going to wear this pair, leave a comment down below in the comments. Let me know. I want to see who's actually going to rock this shoe. I think they're so clean, so dope, and going to look absolutely fire on feet. So make sure that you guys wear them, man. Wear them with pride, with joy. And look, if you're looking to make some money, there's nothing wrong with that either. Go ahead and pick up as many pairs as possible when they do officially release on October 31st. Good luck on the drop. Let me know down below what you guys think about the Mochas. Good luck. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Let's get this video up to 500 likes. And make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm looking to give away some Mocha 1s. Make sure you guys check out Champions Kicks. I'll leave everything down below in the description. A restock this Saturday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You do not want to miss it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. We're always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.